it's Road the King's Roost, and I'm here today with another installment of how to manage your wild yeast starters. Today's question is, how much starter do I actually use for a loaf of bread? The simple answer is that 100 grams of starter will work just fine to rise a loaf of bread. But if you don't have a scale and you must use a measuring cup, 1/3 of a cup will do. Either way, using a natural starter is not quite the same as using instant yeast. It is a fermentation process that's going to extend your rise time, which is why using a weight measure gives you much more consistent and repeatable results. Here's an extra tip when using starter. If you want to speed up or slow down your rise time, you can adjust the amount of starter you're using. Cut it in half and throw in 50 grams to extend the rise time to get a long cold ferment with a better flavor, or double it to 200 grams if you're in a hurry and you want to bake much sooner. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, pop them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.